Is it that you get the flu, but only in your stomach? Is it that it's different from the regular flu, the same? Is it the flu? Is it not the flu? What exactly is the stomach flu? Well, if you've been wondering that question, I'm going to give you the answer today, guys. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician and on-air health expert. Okay, let's just talk about this. First of all, probably a lot of us over the years have used the term stomach flu to describe stomach symptoms that we have, feeling ill. Maybe it's been like nausea or vomiting, some diarrhea, some abdominal pain, just sort of feeling unwell. And a lot of times in those situations, people refer to it as the stomach flu. But that's the question. Is it really the flu, like influenza caused by, well, the flu, which is caused by the influenza virus? Is that what it is? Guys, you really might be surprised. This is actually kind of one of the biggest misnomers, I think, out there. The actual truth is, well, it really doesn't actually have that much to do with influenza at all. That's right. This is not the flu. Generally, when people are talking about the stomach flu, they're talking about what we call a gastroenteritis, or an inflammation of the intestines and the stomach and things like that. That means your insides just get a little inflamed and get a little, they're not feeling well for some particular reason. Now, usually the reason is a virus. That is true, but it's not usually the influenza virus. So there's a number of things that can cause this gastroenteritis. Toxins can do it, parasites can do it, bacteria can do it, but viruses are most common. But yeah, it's not usually the flu virus. Why do we call it the stomach flu? Honestly, to be honest with you guys, I really have no idea. But what it is it's those symptoms I know you're familiar with. It's an upset stomach, it's nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, it's feeling like abdominal cramping. You might have some fever or chills, you might have headache or body aches. And these types of gastroenteritis conditions tend to happen in places where we're in close quarters. Daycares, that's right, daycare, everything gets spread in daycare, right? In nursing home facilities, in colleges, or like military facilities where people live close together. There's lots of different places, even cruise ships. Y'all have heard about, GI or stomach bugs running rampant on cruise ships. Well, this is the type of thing that I'm talking about. The good thing is that for most people, this will be what we call self-limited, which means it will get better on its own with fluids and rest and all that good stuff. But as I always say, because I'm not your doctor, I always remind you to make sure that you're seeing your doctor. I think the most important thing here is to understand that the stomach flu is really not so much a flu at all. It's actually more likely a virus that's causing some sort of stomach and intestinal upset that makes you feel funny. Again, where it's coming from, don't always know. Oh, and by the way, if you get something like this, if you get like, funny in your tummy is what I call it, make sure that you're not sharing utensils, that you're washing your hands a lot, that you're not sharing, cups and forks and things like that, avoiding close contact, because generally the bugs that cause this sort of stomach stuff, the gastroenteritis, these bugs can honestly be spread pretty easily and pretty quickly. So you want to be very, very careful about that. You want to just sort of take care of yourself, make sure that you're staying hydrated well enough, making sure that you're doing things to help support your body and your immune system. As always, talk to your doctor about what that means for you. But there is no stomach flu, guys. It's just a run-of-the-mill gastroenteritis or, virus, very likely causing inflammation in your stomach, although other things can do it too. So anyway, spread the word. Let other people know the real deal about the stomach flu, guys. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. By the way, if you've not liked and followed my page, please do. I do daily videos on all sorts of stuff. Also, consider joining my groups, Dr. Jen Superstars, for exclusive content. And I also have Healthy Living with Dr. Jen too. And for those of you on YouTube, hello. I have not forgotten about you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for updates. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen. I'll see you soon.